Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer. So to make the story short, you can't directly transfer funds from Binance to Payoneer, but you can sell your cryptocurrency on Binance, withdraw the fiat currency to your local bank account, and then use that bank account to receive funds via Payoneer. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead over to Binance right here. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now, going back, maybe sell one of my assets, P2P trading. In here, we'll go ahead over to payments. And when we look for Payoneer, as you can see, it is not an option. So what you'll do is go ahead and make sure you're under P2P trading and sell. Okay. Now look for any banks right here that you can access. Okay. For example, I'm from the Philippines. I have Banco de Oro and I have this account as well. So what I'm going to do is just sell my crypto to this trader right here. Tap on sell. Okay. You can sell by USD or by Ethereum. And then once that's done, select the payment method right here. Select the specific bank and just give the details. And once done, just hit on confirm and just place the order. Okay. And then once you received your money to your specific bank, you can now then go ahead and open up the bank's app. Let's say you have this bank right here. Just tap on it, make the transfer, select Payoneer. And once done, you're good to go. You just received your Binance money by using one of your bank accounts and then transferred it to Payoneer. All right. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.